The nature is no longer going to benefit us. We don't need its food and its resources. All we want is luxurious life. They just give only bloody oxygen. Who needs that? I can buy artificial oxygen from the shop. I can buy software, hardware, and technical equipment to feed myself every day. I don't need this anymore. I'm not going to listen to agriculturalists, environmentalists, and farmers, because if I listen to them, I will have a peaceful and wonderful life, which I don't need that. Let us build a new era. Let us take pleasure in hurting ourselves so hard. I wish you to have a terrible life.